Hey, it's Em here from Morris Bear, and this is actually pretty terrifying going live. Normally, every time that I've actually gone live on my page here, I've actually done a trial run, but it's getting close to the time that Mitch is actually going to walk through that door. The bird is going to start yelling. Everything's going to go to absolute chaos around here. So I've got about 5 minutes before it all turns to shit, basically. So I am jumping on right now, biting the bullet, breaking the fears, cutting the ties, all of that stuff. I would love it if you are watching on the replay to share it if it's something that you have really connected with. The more I can get this out there, the better. If I would love it, leave your name and comments in the box below too, and I'll be checking in after I get back later tonight and over the weekend as well to check in and see if there's any comments that were. So Facebook's doing its thing and telling everyone that I'm on live, which is great. But if you have missed the live, you can always catch the replay right here on my page. If you don't know me already, my name is Em and I am the owner and founder of Morris Bear Digital. I run a small business working for amazing female entrepreneurs, getting their business ideas out of their brain and onto the internet. Being that the internet is so vital to our daily lives now, it's a really great place to actually connect with people. I work with clients all around the world, which is amazing. So there's lots and lots that you can actually do by taking your business online. The trouble is that I see a lot of people, and I'm in a lot of Facebook groups and things, and I see a lot of people constantly posting things like, should I use Squarespace? I've built my website in WordPress, but it's hard for me to update it, so should I change it all over to Squarespace? What's the deal with Wix? Should I try that? This, that, and the other, and it's a constant fight of which options. Turns out I didn't have 5 minutes. He's home. The bird has started already. But that's cool. He's going to assume that I'm talking to myself here. Disappear. Basically, there's a whole lot of things when you're DIYing your website. There's a whole lot of things that you actually get stuck on. There's questions that come up all the time, and usually in our first couple of years of business, hey Gemma, usually in the first couple of years of business, you're doing this all by yourself. So it's really, really stressful. And I've got a couple of reasons here. The biggest being that if you are in this constant cycle of DIY, jumping, shifting, changing, and not knowing how it all works, you are going to be stuck in your business. You're going to be stuck in marketing. You are generally going to have a hell of a lot of website shame, so you don't want to send people to your website, which defeats the entire purpose. You don't want to tell people what you're doing. You aren't clear on what you're doing either, and it's generally keeping you stuck in this little bubble. And this little bubble is about this big, and the world is like this big. Massive. And if you're in that bubble, you don't get out there as much, and that's going to keep you small. I don't want you to be small. You need to be thinking way, way bigger with your website, with your reach and everything. Once you have that confidence behind you, knowing that you don't have to touch anything because it's set up properly, and we're going to get into a whole heap of custom versus template versus all of that shiz down the track. But if you know that your website works, you are clear on your message out to the world, and then you are confident about what you're offering, you can spread that, and that is what gets you growing. It's huge for you, and it's huge for what your business can do, and it's huge for what you can do to change the world. And that's what we're all about. The other thing is, if you are wasting all of your days and nights, and I'm looking at the guys and girls who are spending their Saturday nights on Pinterest, on Google, on YouTube, looking up how to put a MailChimp subscription book, oh, we'll make it sideways. It's not that easy. If you are spending your time doing that, you are not making money. You can be better spending your time doing things, doing your job. It is not your job to put a MailChimp form into your website. It is procrastination, it's delaying, and it's just like me hitting go on this live. It's something that just jump on it and do it, and if we can at least get that moving, you'll start to see momentum, and that's what's going to keep you growing and keep you building and keep it spreading and spreading and spreading. Number 3, if your visitors are coming to your website and they're not converting, we need to look at that. There's 2 reasons that you're not getting inquiries in your inbox. Either it's a traffic problem and no one actually knows your website exists yet, probably because you're not telling them about it because you're embarrassed by it, or it's not connecting to your ideal clients. It's not connecting to the people who are going to be paying for your services. If that's the case, you are leaving all of your money stuck in your website drama. And that's no way to get out of the rat race. We all want to be doing this. If you're in this, you want to be doing this full time. You want to be making a substantial income with your business, and you want to be working towards something that makes a hell of a difference in the world. You cannot do that if you're hiding or if you're playing small. It's exactly the same as me putting this video up today. If you are hiding behind what you think you can't do, what you think is too expensive, or what you think isn't going to work because you've heard stories about horrible website designers running away. I've heard them too. It shits me to tears. If that's something that's holding you back, hit me up. Let's talk about it. I want to get this out there because you should not be wasting all of your time doing meaningless stuff. For me, this is what I do. This is what I know. It's going to take me 5 minutes to get your MailChimp header up there. The process that I work through gets to know you completely and gets to know your business inside and out, which means that you're going to get something that you absolutely love, that connects with who you are and which connects to your ideal clients as well. So if you are constantly struggling with your website and making little tweaks and little updates here, there and everywhere, changing things up constantly, it is time to ditch the DIY drama. I have got some big exciting news coming over the next few weeks. I'm going to be talking about this more and jumping on live a lot more, doing lots of videos, doing lots of blog posts. I'm excited. I actually wrote the first blog post I've written in about 6 months, so it's happy days. There's a lot going on over here and I'm excited to share it with you. If you watch this on the replay, please leave me a message, see whether it connects to what you're at, and I will catch up with you very soon. Have an awesome weekend and enjoy that springtime looks like it is finally here. I'll catch you later. Bye.